Hey, what's up, YouTube? Fritz Jones Investing back with another update. And today I'm giving you guys my Robinhood portfolio update. You can see that the portfolio is worth $31,475. Last year, I made a video of my financial goals for 2020, and one of those goals was to get to $25,000 in my portfolio. And I've exceeded that goal by almost $6,500. This is despite us going through a pandemic and me being down at one point of almost $5,000. I'm so thankful for you guys being here today, listening to my update. In today's video, we'll be talking about how my portfolio has been performing, some stocks that I'm buying, and some dividends that I'll be receiving for the month of December. So if you haven't done so yet, please don't forget to smash the like button, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And let's get right into the video. This is how my portfolio has been performing recently. We can see that for the past week, I'm up $578 or around 1%. $1,691 for the past month. For the past 3 months, I'm up $3,426. And for the past year, I'm up $4,375. To get an accurate representation of my total return, we'll be switching over to my Yahoo Finance account, and we can see that my total gain has been $7,351.12 or 30.4%. Now, I don't make these videos to show off or say that I'm better than anyone. I just want everyone to be able to see my journey on my way to financial freedom and the power of investing your money, making your money work for you so you can make more passive income and also get paid dividends for investing in stocks, which I believe is very important if you want to one day become financially independent. Next, we'll be talking about 3 stocks that I've been purchasing recently. This is ARK Innovation ETF. Basically, an ETF is a basket of stocks. It allows you to invest in a whole bunch of different stocks at the same time, which can sometimes lower or mitigate your risk of losses. We can see that right now, the stock's price is right around $127. I own $194 worth of this stock. My daily return has been $4.07, and my total return has been $19.61 or 11.22%. We can see that I own 1.5 shares of this stock, and it comprises less than 1% of my portfolio. The market cap for this company is right around $18 billion. To learn more about ARK Invest, I'll be taking you directly to their website, and it says, why invest in ARK? Focused on ARK's belief that innovation is key to growth, the ARK Innovation ETF is built on the cornerstone investments that present the best risk-reward opportunities from ARK's innovation-based themes. And looking at their fund description and objectives, we can see that the company invests in genomic revolution, industrial innovation, next-generation internet, and fintech innovation. Looking on the left-hand side of the page at their expense ratio, we can see that it's 0.75%, which is kind of high. A lot of these stocks that they invest in have a high growth rate, so sometimes you have to pay a little bit more for that. If you invest $10,000 in this company, you have to pay $7.50 with expenses, which is not that bad in my personal opinion. Now, looking at their market price, we can see that as of yesterday, the stock's price is right around $124, and since July, the stock has almost doubled in price, which is pretty good. I like their outcome and I like their outlook for the future. And looking at their performance, we can see that for the past 3 months, they're up 29%, 83% year to date, and over 115% year to date. And over the past 3 years, 5 years, and since inception. These are some of their largest holdings. I'm sure you've heard of Tesla. They're really hot right now, and I'm sure they fueled a lot of this company's growth. Roku, and there's some biotechnology companies, CRISPR Therapeutics, a company that I've never heard of, Teladoc, Invitae, Editus Medicine, Proto Labs. I've never heard of some of these companies, but a lot of these companies have been having a lot of growth recently. And if you want to look at all their holdings, I'm going to click that button. And you can see that this company invests in over 48 different kinds of stocks. It's an ETF, so you're able to spread out your risk a little bit. I'm going to continue investing in this stock in the future to hopefully gain some passive income. Next up is Square, which is a financial technology company. It allows small businesses to accept payments, and it charges a small fee for that. And it also allows peer-to-peer sending of payments through the Cash App. We can see that for the past week, the stock is actually down a little bit. It's down $14.28. For the past month, it's up $11, up $56 for the past 3 months, $156 for the past year, and over the past 5 years, it's up $208 or 1,656%. As far as my participation, you can see that I own $222 worth of this stock. My daily return has been $6.51, and my total return has been $29.22. I got it for an average cost of $191. I own just over 1 share, and it comprises less than 1% of my portfolio. So we're now to the about section of the stock. You can see that the CEO is Jack Dorsey. He also owns Twitter, and the market cap of this company is right around $100 billion. I love Square for their massive growth, and I believe it will continue as more and more people use their financial technology. We see that their gross profit was up 59% year over year, their seller gross profit up 12%, and Cash App gross profit was up 212% year over year. Some other metrics that grew for the company were total net revenue, which was up 140% year over year. Their earnings before interest, taxes, debt, and amortization, which was up 38% year over year. And their net income was $37 million, which was higher than the third quarter of 2019 before the financial impact of the coronavirus. I love this company's assets versus their liabilities. As of September 30th, they had $8.1 billion worth of assets versus $6 billion worth of liabilities. That means that would give them an extra $2 billion even after they paid off all of their debt. Next up is NIO, which I believe is one of the hottest stocks in the market. It's up over 1,000% in the past year, and we can see that for the day it was up $2.23, and it's actually down a little bit after hours. For the past week, we can see that the stock has been basically flat, just up a little bit, of up 2%. Over the past month, it's actually down 2%, which I believe represents a great buying opportunity. Over the past 3 months, it's up 122%. The past year, 1,553%, and over the past 5 years, it's up 704%. Scrolling down to my participation in this stock, we can see that I own $2,461 worth of this stock. I'm actually down a little bit on my position. I'm down $84 overall, but today I actually gained $107. This stock comprises 7% of my portfolio, and right now I own 51 shares. My goal is to get right around 100 shares, hopefully in the next 6 months. This stock is worth right around $62 billion for its market cap, and it's based in China. NIO is having increased demand for its vehicles. The EC6 has an 8-week backlog and is comparable in size to the Tesla Model Y. NIO also has battery as a service, which is a battery swapping subscription, which means you can buy the car without the battery for a cheaper price, but it generates monthly revenue for NIO. NIO is also making a record number of deliveries. They delivered 5,291 vehicles as of last month, which is a 109% increase year over year. And I know you might be saying, well, that's only 5,000 vehicles. But if you add in for an average price of $50,000, that's $264 million worth of revenue. NIO is rumored to be releasing their first sedan, the ET7, next month at their upcoming NIO Day, along with their brand new 150 kilowatt hour battery and also updated autonomous vehicle technology. I see great demand for NIO in the future, not only because of their record number of deliveries last month, but because China also wants to go green. They want 20% of all their new vehicles to be fully electric by 2025, and by 2035, they want 50% of all their new vehicles to be electric. So this is going to be a great opportunity for NIO and also Tesla. These are all my dividends for the month of December. I received 26 cents from Visa, 6 cents from Church & Dwight, 11 cents from the ETF. I received 52 cents from Parker Hannifin, and also $2.29 from Johnson & Johnson. I also received $1.71 from AGNC, 5 cents from Equinix, $6.72 from Microsoft, $4.18 from Target, $3.14 from Stag Industrial. I also received 45 cents from Nike, 27 cents from Nvidia, and I'll be receiving later on this month 3 cents from Big Lots and 13 cents from Shaw Communications. If you found this video helpful and informative today, I would ask that you please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think about ARK Invest, Square, and also NIO? And would you consider adding them to your portfolio? I would also love to hear about what stocks you guys are investing in. As 2020 comes to a close, it's been really crazy with this pandemic, but I'm just thankful to have my job, my health, and also my family. I'm also thankful for you guys subscribing to the channel and helping me to get monetized this year. I couldn't have done it without all of your support. Thank you for being on this financial freedom journey with me. In 2021, I want you to continue to work on all your fears and weaknesses so that way you can return as the best version of yourself. This has been Fred Jones Investing with another update. I hope you enjoyed the video today, and as always, keep getting that passive income. I'll catch you next year. Please don't forget to check out some of my other content also. There's a subscribe button down below, so make sure you hit that. And also check out some of my other videos that might be able to help you in your financial freedom journey. Have a great day.